Right, I've brought some props for today's video. These are two computers from my childhood. So a BBC microcomputer, I bought one of these in 1989 for £220. This is a Commodore Amiga. I bought this in Christmas of 1992 for £199 at Lewis's in Leeds. When I bought each of these machines, I had to basically just drain all the money I had. I had to drain my bank account and my piggy bank, and all of my savings went into each of these machines at the time that I bought them. When I was a kid, the high cost of computers like these was a real barrier to me learning about computers. And really what we've been trying to do with Raspberry Pi is to make sure that cost is never going to be a barrier to anyone who's interested in getting involved in coding. When we launched Raspberry Pi, we took about a factor of 5 out of the cost of a sort of typical low-cost computer. But we still meet people for whom tell us that cost is a barrier to entry for them. So lately, this year, since the Raspberry Pi 2 effort wound down in February, we've been asking ourselves what we could do to maybe take a little bit more cost down. And today, we're launching a new product. This is Raspberry Pi Zero. This is a full-fledged Raspberry Pi. We've got a 2835 here, and so this is the same chip we used in Raspberry Pi 1, except up-clocked a little bit, so it's about 40% faster. Got half a gig of RAM, HDMI connector, SD card, USB to connect mouse and keyboard, and the same pinout, although it's not populated, the same GPIO pinout that we have on modern Raspberry Pis, on the B+, the A+, and the Pi 2. This is going on sale today. We've made a few tens of thousands of these. This is going on sale today from our distributors at $5. So we really don't think we're going to be able to get any cheaper than this. We're down to the cost. We've gone from, let's say 4 lattes to 1 latte. We're not going to go below the cost of 1 latte, I think, in the foreseeable future. So we really hope you like this. We really hope this is going to get those last few people in the door and involved in computer programming. I guess there's only one thing cooler than a $5 computer, and that's probably a free computer. We publish a magazine called The Magpie. It's available from all reputable UK and US news agents. The December issue is out today, and we thought it would be a bit of fun to give away a Raspberry Pi Zero as a cover gift. We printed 10,000 of these, and these are in stores today, so get going, I guess. We're the first magazine ever to give away first computer magazine ever to give away a computer as a cover gift. So yeah, Merry Christmas.